Mommy.
Hey, Carson.
Hey, guys. Mommy, where's Daddy? Hey, vlog. Carson, hey. Hey, guys. We just got it from school. Hey, Shiloh. Carson. Huh? Madison, look. Look, Madison. Madison, look. Hey, vlog. We just got out of school.
How was school?
Good. I did so good. Oh, get up, get up. Come on, back to God.
I can go ahead and do a little haul for you guys. We went to Marshall's and we picked up some clothes for the kids. Just a few pieces. I'm tired. Okay. I don't know what happened. But I was saying that we went to the store. We're back home now. We didn't pick the kids up from school. And I was saying that we went to the store after we had lunch. And I picked up some clothes for the kids. And I got these shorts for Carson, and I got this color for Bryson. Same pair of shorts, just different colors. And I got this shirt to go with Bryson's, and I got this shirt to go with Carson's. I'm in the phase now where I like matching my kids, okay? I like when they match. And then I got this shirt for Maddie. It's like a little crop top situation. I think it's really cute. Oh, it's actually from Zara. Then I got this one for London. It's a little crop top as well. Then I got Carson another shirt, a little dressy casual shirt. Pretty cute. Pretty cute. And I got Maddie a little jean denim skirt set, and it had the little crop top with it. Yeah, real cute. Spring is coming, so I just went on to start picking them up, a few things. And then I got Bryson this little nautical outfit. I think it was really, really cute. Nice little pink nautical shirt with the shorts to go to it. Really, really cute. Yeah, everything was at a reasonable price too. You know, your girl will find a deal. If I don't do nothing else, I'm gonna shop that clearance, right? Okay.
The shirt's so pretty, Mommy.
And this is it's a 3-piece set. I'm not really sure why they have a hat with the skirt and a crop top, but I guess but it's a little pleated, like cheerleader looking skirt, and it have like a nice little crop to it with the hat. Again, y'all, I don't know why the hat with it, but I got this for London. And then I picked up Maddie the same one. Hers is just green.
Yes, thank you.
And again, it has a little hat, but y'all, it's all really cute. Just decided I picked them up a few things. I could have used the that gift card I had for myself for my trip. I need to buy clothes for vacation. We're going on vacation in 38 days. I could have been buying myself some, but
did you know when you apply for something and you get denied, your credit score can drop between 2 and 5 points? Follow me for more tips.
this is another whole day, I believe. I don't think I vlogged today, but I went out to the stores, made a couple of errands. I don't think I'm gonna do a haul this time because the stuff that I got, I already used it. I needed it for something. But I'm here at the office. I'm starting to work on a new, I keep looking up at myself instead of the lens, but I'm working on a new design for t-shirts because it's about to get hot, and you know we love a good graphic t-shirt in the springtime, in the summertime. So I'm working on new design, and I'm gonna start with about 2 weeks. I'm looking to get I am now at the salon. I just washed my hair, treated it, all that good stuff, and y'all, I'm surprised at the growth. I didn't blow dried it out now, so y'all really can't see it, but I literally just, I'm transitioning back to natural because I was 5 years in natural before I relaxed my hair because I felt like I couldn't manage it anymore because I had got so busy. But I truly miss my natural hair, so I am going back natural. And up here where you see like where it's really dark and thick, all that is natural, but down here it get thin, you can like see through it. That's the relaxed part. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I just washed my hair and I'm about to do me a sew-in because I need something to last me for the next couple of weeks, because then after I take this out, I'm gonna let my hair breathe, treat it and things and stuff, and then after that I'm thinking about getting braids for our trip. But if not, I don't know. But that's what I'm here doing right now. And hubby is in the office doing work. So yeah, I may set it up and let y'all see the progress. I may not. I don't know. We'll see. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next clip or video. Y'all, I just finished my hair and it came out cute. It's just that I dyed it. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera. I dyed the bundles to black, but it didn't really come out black as I wanted it to come out. I don't know, but it'll do. It'll last until I get my other bundles that's coming in, because I think my next sew-in I'm gonna use the kinky straight hair. But overall, I'm happy about it. But y'all was struggling. I haven't did a sew-in on myself in so long. I did it this time and I was struggling so bad because it's been a long time. But yeah, I like it. So I'll see you guys in a little while. I'm doing, y'all, I need to go ahead and add that other piece of hair to my head so my press can be like I want it to be. But anyway, I'll see you guys later.